right, it has been a while since I worked on this car, but today we have some lithium grease, and today I'm going to be adjusting my clutch pedal because, quite frankly, this thing is driving me insane, and I'm going to show you guys why right now. So hopefully this is going to be an easy fix for me and for all you guys who have this common issue as well. There's a slight creak. Mine's quieted down, and I'm going to show you exactly what I had to do to get it like this. All right, so pretty much what's going on is when I depress the clutch pedal, I was getting an aggressive creak. So the first thing I did was I checked pretty much to make sure everything was tight. I made sure this nut was tight, and I made sure there's a 12mm nut right on the rod for the CMC. Right behind that, I tightened that up. I also adjusted this a little bit more, but more importantly, to get the creak fix, I'll show you what I did here. Push it in, sprayed grease right there. So now there's grease in that push rod. It's kind of hard to see, but right up in there. Then to adjust this, guys, you're gonna unplug this here, take this clip off like this. I'll show you real quick. Take that clip out, and we're going to crack this free. So that's free spinning, move it back. And then this is a 12mm underneath here, and you're gonna break that one free too. And then you can move this, you can rotate these either clockwise or counterclockwise to get your adjustment. I already did mine. I am gonna take this thing on a test drive now. That's what we're gonna do this morning to see if she's shifting better, let alone if my creak is kind of like, you know, it disappeared. So let's go ahead and take this thing on a rip. See, this is the EM2. I'm running the EM2 CMC in this with an OEM slave cylinder, guys. And I have the stainless steel line. So it's crucial that you guys all do this, especially if you do like a new clutch job, or you know your car the clutch hasn't been adjusted in a while, if it's clicking. I believe that this could essentially fix something. I'm talking about adjustment, I'm talking about lubrication, even clean clutch fluid, etc. Feels good, feels like stock. It feels just like stock does. So I like that. You guys know I'm obsessed with these things and how they shift stock. Like the transmission is just like buttery smooth, crispy, clean shifts. That's one thing that sold me on this car, is the transmission. Also, make sure you guys like this video, and remember, never stop wrenching. Bet you haven't heard that in a while. All right, post it up. Gotta hit the bank. She's a little dirty. Dude, I park like an anus, huh? Look at that. Bro. So it is still creaking, but it's not as bad as it was before, and I think I need to adjust it a little bit more. All right, guys, just getting back now. I don't want to do too many pulls because I need to get a retune. I need an alignment on, and it's kind of sketch right now. So that concludes today's video. I will update everybody on the pedal. Honestly, it seems like it's better. It doesn't creak nearly as much as it was before. So hopefully everything stays right. And if you guys want to see an adjustment, I just made another adjustment, so I don't want to show you guys because I might have to do another one, but I will post that in the next video. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had fun making it, and your boy needs to get some sleep because I just got off a 3rd shift. So I will see you all in the next video. More stuff to come. Hopefully everything's fixed with this car by the next time you see it. Alignment, new tires, exhaust leak, all that. Thank you for all watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.